who is WavePro and why am I excited about what they can offer? Yes, it is a case of keeping it simple, but it's not the point of keeping it simple. There's actually a really good reason why this material and the way that it's going in the PTFE options is quite useful. So in 2022, 2 years ago, I was fortunate enough to join the guys from WavePro in Denver at IMS 2022. And I had a presentation where I also just went through all the applications where dielectrics are used and how useful it could be to have PTFE that you can custom design. Now that of course has developed much more into even more reason to be excited about this material. Now dielectric lenses and being able to change the dielectric properties of your PTFE lens on different layers, that's really the fundamental design of a Lunenburg lens. And if that's so good to do with low loss properties of material, it really gives you a lot of options. So I'm not going to go too much into that. Again, there was a video online. I have the script here that two of the team members from WavePro did, Corey and Cole, and it was quite a good overview of the principles and the logic of using WavePro and the PTFE or Teflon type material for your antenna applications. Where I am particularly excited this is why I have the spiral here with me. The 4 spirals that I used in my demonstration in the summertime at Christie's Beach to get 5G working and to show things was made by the dielectric material used, well, WavePro material, and they etched the antenna on the PC board, and that's what I used. It's a low loss material, and for PC board purposes, that is just one of the biggest headaches that we have in the antenna design is PC board losses. Of course, there are options out there, but now with WavePro, you can choose the material. You don't have to say, well, there's a list of available materials and I have to pick one. You can now say, well, I want PTFE and I need the DK to be 3, 4, 10, whatever you need. It's at the moment I believe it's from 2 or actually slightly below 2 up to 22, which is an incredible range available for you to use. Thicknesses of course also is custom, so you don't have to sit with I need to have a classic PC board thickness of 1.6 millimeters or something like that. That's all custom. So the freedom that you now have in using WavePro material is incredible. So your designs have this whole new freedom to do something. And then there's a lot of talk online, if you look at LinkedIn and so forth, what's the latest design ideas and what can you do? I am a very classic antenna designer, so I love dipoles, I love microstrip antennas, I love the basic stuff, but not how you apply that is where the trick is. Not trying to get weird techniques to design antennas, it's getting better material techniques. And actually, this is kind of a story of me at the moment, is 3D printed antennas. The mechanics here has been designed by us, of course, but it's been 3D printed, so I don't have to go to a place and be limited by what the machines can do. With 3D printing, I can make from my home printer all sorts of really crazy designs, such as the spiral that I've done here. Inside, of course, is still special RF material that is needed, but it's now a possibility. So that's for the mechanics at the back. Now with material like WavePro, the front is also useful. So the PC board can be whatever I want. Of course, in this case, I just replicated something that is a well-known type of material, so the numbers are fairly straightforward. It is a normal characteristics for this material, and it works great. But if you needed something that is a higher DK so that your antennas, your spirals can be smaller, that's an option. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, also to help with shrinking the antenna size, this is an option. They're all options. And I think that's all I can say about that. And I think it's incredibly powerful, and that is a reason to go and talk to WavePro. At the moment, I'm shooting this video a month before IMS 2024 in Washington. So if you watch this video before that IMS show, go and see the guys over there. But after IMS 2024, there's going to be many opportunities to just go to their website, have a look and reach out to them, and they will certainly be able to help you on your project for a huge range of applications. I mean, I'm just looking at here, it's not listed in the script from that video, but this material, PTFE, the spiral as well that I have in me, that can be used in all kind of thinkable applications. Think from space to mining, defense, automotive, whatever industry you're in. This material, either as a PC board material, which is where I would be really keen on this, or as a component or lens in your structure, your system, is something to be really worth looking out for. That's it. See you guys, and other than that, thanks for watching. I am about to shoot a video on artificial intelligence. Hope to see you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.